Ciorcal Comhrá, grúpi cainte in Gaeilge, Irish conversation groups. Daoibh a chairde. Hello everyone, tá fáilte romh arás ag an gcainéal. You're very welcome back to the channel. Inniu, tá muid a caint faoi bhealach iontach le Gaeilge a chleachta. Today we're talking about a great way to practice Irish. Ciorcal Comhrá, no grúpi cainte as Gaeilge, or Irish conversation groups. Má tá tú géirí do chuid scileanna labhartha a gheabhsú. If you want to improve your speaking skills, no bula le faulamóir eile agus sprí a bheith agat, or meet other learners and have some fun, tá an Ciorcal Comhrá fuirfe ditse. The Ciorcal Comhrá are perfect for you. Cad é an Ciorcal Comhrá. What is a Ciorcal Comhrá? Is grúpa cordial na bhíormúil. It's a friendly, informal group. Tágan daoine le chéile le Gaeilge a labhairt. People come together to speak Irish. Is cum a céin le bhéal atá acu, no matter their level. Ní rang é, tá sé bunaithe ar an gcomhrá. It's not a class, it's all based on conversation. Bé cainteoirí dúchasacha, faulamóirí, no tusathóirí ann. You'll find native speakers, learners, or beginners there. Si an aim ná, labhairt, botún a dhéanamh agus faulam go nádúrtha. The goal is to speak, make mistakes, and learn the language naturally. Cén fá páirt a ghlacha ann. Why join in? Tá go leor buntáistí buint le Ciorcal Comhrá. There are lots of benefits to joining a conversation circle. Is féidir leat muiníonn a chothú as do chuid Gaeilge labhartha. You can build confidence in your spoken Irish. Cloisian tú fíor Gaeilge ó chantóirí dúchasacha. You will hear Irish from native speakers. Faulamíonn tú folklór nua I ggóthaics nádúrtha. You learn new vocabulary in a natural context. Búlann tú le daoine a bhfuil an cathaimsire céine acu. You'll meet people who share your interests. Agus fiú mar a bhfuil mór an taithí agat, and even if you don't have much experience, cuireann an timpeallacht cordial fáilte rót. The friendly atmosphere makes it easy to join in. Cáthát le ceanna all. Where to find a Ciorcal Comhrá? Tá Ciorcal Comhrá ar fud na hÉireann. There are conversation circles all over Ireland. I labharlanna, in ionad pobal, I gaféine, agus fiú ar líne. In libraries, community centres, in cafes, and even online. Is siomh iontach é Peig.ie le ceanna aimsiú. Peig.ie is a great website to help you find one. Tá lista online de grúpi, áiteanna agus almanna ann. It lists groups, locations and meeting times. Féach cé acu atá arúnach ditse, tusathóir nó ard le bhéal. You can see which ones suit you, beginner or advanced. Tá sé fuirfe le do chéad cuairt a phleanáil. It's perfect for planning your first visit to a Ciorcal Comhrá. Ledanna de thosathóirí. Tips for beginners. Má tá tú nervíseach ná bí buartha. If you're nervous, don't worry. Tuair cara leat le taithíocht do thuairt. Bring a friend to provide support. Ná bíoch agla ort roimh botún tá gach duine a fólam. Don't be worried about making mistakes. Everybody is learning. Éist comála labhairt, sé an tathrá an rud is fearr. Listen as well as speaking, and repetition is important. Cur ceist muna dtuigeann tú rud aige. Ask if you don't understand something. Is cuid den amhlaidí sin, and that's part of the learning. Dá bhéad a ghlachann tú páirt, the more you take part, sés compórdaí a méid tú, the more comfortable you'll be. Mar sin, bí ag labhairt. Therefore, get talking. Cé acu, tusathóir nó sanolaíthú, whether you're a beginner or an expert. Is bealach spríúil é an Ciorcal Comhrá le Gaeilge a chleachta. The Ciorcal Comhrá is a fun way to practice your Irish. Féach ar Peig.ie le grúpa gáirde aimsiú. Visit Peig.ie to find a group near you. Agus tosig ag labhairt inniu, and you can start speaking today. Go raibh maith as breathnú seo. Thanks so much for watching. Ná darmid chlárú leis an gcainéal agus trácht ágáil híos. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Ach, slán go fóill. Goodbye for now. Go dtí an cé ceann eile, a Shane a dó a trí.